Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are unable to install this update, that is KB5083631 on your Windows 11 computer because of these error codes. So if you are receiving these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause update option. You can hit pause over here. And once the update is paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, you can type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Now scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Once this is done, you can go to Windows Update. If you see retry option, you can hit retry or you can click on check for update, download and install. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. This will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5083631 over here, and then click on search. Let me change the language over here. Now type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command and check your version. So in my case, it's version 25H2. So check your Windows version. Open Windows settings, go to system, go to about option, check your system type. So for me, the system type is 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2, Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5083631, click on it. And then once the download is complete, you can click on this file. You can install this update manually, restart your PC and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once the process is complete, during this it will restart your computer, restart your PC and then update your Windows 11. Still not working, the last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool, click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Once the download, let me download. Yeah. Now you can run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds, so maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.